The next piece that we're going to play, first of all, that was Korean Folk Rhapsody, and we try to do something each year that has to do with a different culture, and so that obviously is a song that is well known to the Korean culture. That is I think it's called Agrirong is the name. If Tai Young's here, he would yell at me because he's from there, and I'm probably butchering the name. But that was our cultural piece for the program. The next piece we're going to do is a transcription. And transcription is a type of piece of music that is not originally written for our concert band. This piece in particular is a multi-movement piano piece, and they've transcribed it, hence the word transcription, for a concert band. This was a very, very tough piece. You'll find, especially for the clarinets, they've had to work their tails off, right, clarinets? Yeah, they've had to work their tails off to get this song ready, and you're going to hear a lot of hopefully dynamic contrast. We've really worked to play soft, so we're hoping that you can tell that. It's a Norwegian Dance by Edvard Grieg.